Hello guys, this is Sigar Dave from MS Tech Insights. In this quick introduction video, we are going to see how we can utilize the view code feature into the Microsoft Power Apps. And for that, I'm going to create a new blank canvas app. I'm going to provide that a name as demo view code and click on create. So as you can see, we are presented with this blank panel, blank screen actually, and in this screen, I'm going to add one or two components. Let's say I'm adding the label and I'm adding this button, right? And when I go and right click on this component, that is a text control, there is one more option available which is known as view code. This particular option still is in preview, so that's why we see this preview in here. So once I click on that view code, it will open up this panel where we can see a YAML, the YML structure of the that particular control. Okay, so now if I go and click on this button, before that let me just go and change the value of the text from button to submit. And now if I go and click on this view code, it will open up the YAML section, YAML code for that button, and you can see the text property is set to submit, what is the X and Y property of this and everything else. I can go and click Ctrl A, then click on copy code from this button. So now the code has been copied. The main advantage of this code panel is to make the Power Apps more visible for the code first developers. Alright, so what I can do is I can just go and copy this and open up new untitled Visual Studio code, paste it here, and I can make some changes into this text, right? And just copy this and go into the Power Apps, right? And what I can do is I can just go and open up new code. So as you can see, this is the button which is having this code in here. So if I want to paste it in here, I can see cannot add it in read-only editor. This editor is read-only, so I cannot make direct update into this, but paste the new changed code. What I have to do is I have to right click on the button itself, and in the paste I can click paste code, and it will go and paste that code in here. So as you can see, we have these two buttons now. Alright, so the same thing, if I want to go and view the code, right, instead of this, let me just go and change that text of this control. Click on view code, I can copy this, and then I can just go in here and paste this. Oops. And then I can just simply go here and click on, oops, not like this, but paste code. So it will create another label and we can use this. The limitation is we can go and copy a code from particular component, but we cannot do the same thing like paste inside the code editor, right? And here we can have a copy code whole screen. Let's say I copy this and right click, and when I go and paste code, it says like pasting the YML code for screen isn't supported yet. So you can copy it, but you cannot copy the whole YML section for the screen and paste it as a screen. You can do it for one by one components, but not the whole screen. So let's say I want to do it. What I can do is I can add a new screen and then copy this component or cut this component and paste in here. Have it in the separate screen. Okay. So the other limitations which we have is whenever we are pasting the code, right? It is always going to be available in this X and Y format. So the positioning is not being supported at the moment, even if the position is different. For example, if I go and make it here, check the code, the X position is 580 and Y position is 324. If I copy this code and paste it again here, still when I go and check it, the position is 88. Position is not being supported. So these are the different limitations we are having right now, and they are working on this part. The Microsoft is working on it. But I think this is pretty cool feature who likes to code in a YML language instead of doing the drag and drop. So it is for the code first developers. Okay. So yeah, this is a very quick introduction about this new feature of code, view code, which is in preview right now by Microsoft into Microsoft apps. I hope you enjoyed this quick introduction video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I am uploading the new video. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.